Discover how to get your podcast heard by millions with this step-by-step guide on mastering SEO within Buzzsprout. First, log into your Buzzsprout account and head towards your episode settings. This is where the magic happens. Select the episode you want to optimize. If you haven't already, make sure your episode is uploaded. Now let's get to work. Look at the fields like episode title and description. You are going to want to optimize these for maximum impact. Before you start typing, do some keyword research. Think about what people search for when looking for a podcast like yours. Use keyword research tools to help you find highly searched for and less competitive terms related to your episode's topic. Keywords are what people will type into search engines. In your episode title, strategically include your primary keyword. Make it clear and concise and entice listeners. Let's say your episode is about budgeting tips. Your title might be Budgeting Tips 101. Master your finances. Next is the episode description. This is crucial for SEO. Write a detailed, engaging description that's at least 200,300 words long. Naturally, incorporate your keywords throughout the text, but prioritize making the description interesting and informative. Think of this as the elevator pitch for your episode. Include a summary of the episode, bullet points of key takeaways, and a call to action. Remember to use synonyms and related terms. For our budgeting example, you could include terms like saving money, financial planning, and debt management. Finally, after you've crafted your title and written the description, click Save. This will update your podcast SEO and help it get discovered. Remember, consistent optimization across all your episodes will lead to sustainable growth and a wider audience.